Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
What is going on, and good morning. Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation, and here is your quote for today. Don't tell people your plans, show them your results. There are a lot of talkers out there. They have an idea and instantly start to scream and shout about it, often without even thinking about how they're even going to do it. Stop talking, stop bragging about results that you are nowhere near, and get yourself moving forward. Get going with everything you do, and when they start to happen, those results, let your success become your noise.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.